Hello and welcome to this week's Tea Bag Challenge, Monochromatic Colour Challenge. The lineup for this challenge started with Grandma Kathy's Art Ventures, me, Creations with Tanya, then August's Acrylic Art, and then Brenda's Creations from the Table. All their links will be in the description below. Thank you for being here, so please sit back and enjoy. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a monochromatic color scheme, and I've done it in different colors of blues. I know technically you're supposed to take one blue and add white to it and black to it, whatever color, and then get those variant shades. But I had a bunch of paints left over, and I figured why not use these different paints of blue and go from light to dark in that aspect. So this is our collab I chose, and I am going to just put down my pillow paint, and I will put all of my paints in the description box below, so go check it out. And once I have my pillow paint on, I'll come back and I'll let you know what colors I'm using, and let's try to go for a bloom today. If not, maybe a swipe. All right, I'll be right back. Before I get started, I am just gonna let you know to please go look at Grandma Kathy's channel, as well as August's channel and Brenda's channel. I have linked all of their videos below in the description box, and I'm so wonderful and happy to be here and really enjoy working with this group of artists. Thank you so much. And now let's start putting paint down. My first one is a mixture of DecoArt Dazzling Metallics, and it's the Peacock Pearl with just some titanium white Amsterdam. So here we go. I'm going to go from light to dark because my cell activator is going to be titanium white Amsterdam, and my canvas today is just an 8 inch by 8 inch. So this is going to be a very small puddle. This here is teal from Loft, and it is level 3 professional, but I've also mixed it with some Indigo Waves from this little piggy. And then this one here, oh, let's hope this spreads. I put in some Loft Phthalo blue, as well as some Indigo Waves, and I'm pretty sure some also teal from Loft. There's a lot. I made a lot. I need to do a big canvas with this color. I just wanted some sparkle. And the next color I did a mixture of this, so because I didn't have a lot of the Indigo Wave from TLP, so I added it to my ice blue DecoArt Dazzling Metallic, and this is beautiful. And my last color is by Pebeo, High Velocity, and I'm not sure if you can see the shimmer on that, and it is blue black. I've never used this color, so I'm kind of excited to see what happens. All right, and of course I'm using as cell activator Australian Floetrol with my titanium white Amsterdam. So put a generous puddle there, and I am going to use my hair dryer on high, cool, and sit back and enjoy the music. Okay, so just give it a minute. Let the pillow paint come back. Who doesn't love blue? Honest to goodness, I love blue. So what are you all doing today? I'm having a good day so far, being here with all you guys. Let's just see if we can move it around. I may need to blow a little in the center there, just to, you know, give it a little bit of cell action here. I've wanted to try using skewer and like doing swirls. What do you guys think? Maybe I should do that in the next one, just to have some fun. All right, sorry for my head. Let's see some beautiful cells. Maybe I should try blowing that way because I don't have a lot here. There we go. Let's get some action going. I love the cells. Well, I'm gonna spin it, so let's spin it. Oh my goodness, look at those cells. Oh, I just love these colors. What do you guys think? Winner? I love the cells. Might have overstretched it a little here, but other than that, I like it. Let me get this down. I'm gonna scrape off the edges and then we can do a close-up. We are back. And as you can see, the centers come in a lot, so it's not as white. Let me take you down for a close-up. Look at the way those colors mix in that corner. Wow. Oh, these blues are gorgeous. Oh, I bet you this will be beautiful when it's resin. Okay, zooming out. Oops, that wasn't out, that was in. There we go. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please go and watch August. He's the next in line, and then it's Brenda. I can't wait to see what they've created. Have a good day. Bye.